In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a functional Google Calendar, whether you're managing your work schedule, personal plans, or planning events. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool to help organize and streamline your life. Let's dive into the step-by-step on how to set it up. First, to get started, open your web browser of choice and head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your browser's search bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the Google sign-in page, especially if you haven't logged into your Google account yet. Now, go ahead and enter your Google account details. This ensures that your calendar is personal to you and easily accessible across all of your devices. After entering your email and password, click the Next button to continue through the login process. Once you successfully log in, you'll see the main calendar view, likely showcasing today's date and whatever events or reminders you might have already set. Focus your attention now on the left panel of the screen. This is where you'll find various options, including a section labeled Other Calendars. Look for that section, and right next to it, you'll spot a plus icon. Clicking this icon allows you to add additional functionalities and new calendars to your dashboard. Now, click on Create New Calendar from the options presented. This is the space where you can personalize and create a calendar that fits your needs uniquely. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to a new screen. Here, you'll want to enter your calendar details. Begin by naming your calendar. This could be anything that helps you identify its purpose, like work schedule, personal plans, or events. Once you've decided on a name, you have the option to add a description. While optional, adding a description can help provide a context or remind you and others whom you may share it with about its purpose. It's also crucial at this stage to set the correct time zone. The time zone you choose will determine how all calendar events are scheduled and displayed, so make sure it matches your actual location or the region you'll be operating from. After filling in all these details, you're ready to make your calendar official. Click on the Create